Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So now we are going to start again the texturing part for this oil truck container. So the rest of the part which is left out will be just texturing that. So now what I'll be doing over here is we'll start with the texturing part of this area over here. That is your this part, the further part. So how we are going to do over here is so we are going to just unwrap this. If you require to unwrap it, we are going to unwrap this part over here. So very first of all, before we start up, let's do some small things which are just left out for the texturing. So let's just select this over here and let's go into this again, and let's go into the material. Let's go into the material, press M over here. So let's again take a V-Ray material over here. Let's assign a V-Ray material. So we can go into this diffuse bitmap, and again let's go into this truck over here. Oops, just clear this. Again go into this bitmap. So let's just right click and just preview this. So we can go over here and we can take this, or we can take this also. That is this material. So let's just assign this over here, and let's give a UVW map. So definitely we'll be assigning this individually also. So over here you can just increase the size, and you can go into the material again over here, and let's take a noise over here. Let's take a noise and let's give a bump map fractal and just give 0.5 over here. Assign that in that particular way. Now the same thing we'll be doing the texturing part over here also. So let's go into this. Let's go into the material over here. Again take a V-Ray material, and we'll be giving a bit of a rusted texture over here. Let's go into the bitmap, preview it. So you can just go with any of this texture. You can go with this texture. That's your assign this texture on top of this, and let's give again a UVW map. Set it as a box over here. After that, now what we'll be doing is the things which are small details, will be just first texturing that part over here. So just select this, and let's just give a color to it. So first, and also we'll give a bit of reflective property on top of it. So let's just can just pick a color on it. Let's go into reflectiveness over here. Fresnel reflections. Not much. A bit. Assign this over here. The same way we are going to assign this texture over here also. So let's again go into the material and just assign that over here. Now if I want to unwrap this part, so how you can unwrap it over here is like, so as you can see over here, this is a single part, so we can just unwrap it individually, this part. So for that, first save your file over here. Let's go into this unwrap UVW. Let's go into this unwrap UVW. Let's go into this view over here. Let's select this side view over here. Let's go to the front view and let's just remove that selection part. So we don't need all this selection over here. We only need this selection part. Whatever is required, you just select that part. After that, again exclude this area over here. So we'll be just selecting this much of the area over here in this side over here. So just subtract this all over here. And also most important thing over here is like this part will be in a different part, so we'll be just excluding this also. So we don't require this for now, so do exclude this area over here. Just exclude this. Now once you're done, just we'll go into this. So once, just check it out whether you have subtracted all those elements which are not really required. Just exclude that. See, you have selected the top area also, so just exclude this top area also over here. So once you are done with this, so now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be going into this planner and I'll go into this, just check whether you haven't selected anything else or anything is just left out anywhere. So X, Y, and let's go into this and give quick planner map, open UV editor. So I can just push this out over here for this. So now if you want to check it, you can easily check it over here. You can just go into this, and let's again take a V-Ray material over here, and let's just assign a checker over here, assign it. So as you can see, we have unwrap this part over here, open UV editor. After that, same thing, we'll just select the front part over here. So the front section part, just select the front section part over here, exclude this. So exclude this, exclude this, exclude this, this. So what I'm doing now is like, I'm just excluding the areas which are really not required. So Alt and drag to just subtract the area Alright. So press F3 and you can just check it. So if you accidentally selected any of the area, you can just remove that. So in this you will see that we have a bottom area. Also we have this for this glass and the mirror. I'm extremely sorry for the headlights and this glass. So let's again go into this projection X and quick planar map, open UV editor, and you can just push it over here. Much better. I think we have selected this area, so let's just exclude this. So again I'll go into this and I'll just again give a quick planar map over here, and let's just push this out over here in this way. Much better. So we'll just select this, push this over here, select this, push this over here. So after that, again select this part and inverse it, Control I, inverse this all these parts. We really don't need this, so whatever of the selections you don't need it, you can remove that. Exclude it. Alright. So make sure you are just selecting the right selection. See this extra selection is been there. So once you're done over here, again you can go into this projection Y and give quick planar map, open UV editor. So let's just push this over here in this way. So you can just push this over here and let's just push this over here in this way. Much better. So the rest of the part which is at the top will be just assigning some material over here. If you want, we can go with the top part also. Let's assign it much better. So how we are going to assign that is like, so let's go into this UV editor, select this, Control I, that's your inverse selection, and just exclude this. So whatever things you don't require, please exclude that part. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just excluding this particular area. Alright. Okay. So once you're done with this, just check it that whether it's going to be perfect over here. And quick planner map, open UV editor. I think I have, okay, we have accidentally selected this, so subtract this, quick planner map, and again rotate this and just push it up. So as you can see over here, so we have unwrapped this all, this part, just scale it and just push it inside in this. Alright, so let's go into this and just say end isolate over here. So as you can see over here, we have just unwrapped this part over here. So if you have any doubts guys, please write it in the comment section over here. Please write it in the comment section. I can just off this part over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, that's KO Tutorials. So we'll continue the rest part in the next tutorial. So definitely in the coming tutorial I'll be texturing this part in Photoshop. So thanks for watching this tutorial.